We may finally be getting closer to Garmin's long-rumored CIRQA band. Over the past few days, a Garmin Bluetooth device matching the expected CIRQA profile has surfaced in multiple regulatory certification databases, including filings in Singapore and the UAE. That's significant because when a product starts appearing in regional certification systems across different markets, it often means the hardware is moving through some of the final steps before launch. What's particularly interesting is that these aren't the usual retailer listings or hidden software references we've seen in earlier leaks. Certification filings tend to be much harder evidence, suggesting that the hardware itself is moving through the final regulatory steps before release. At the same time, new details are strengthening the theory that CIRQA isn't meant to replace a Garmin watch at all. Instead, it may be designed to complement one. The screenless band could handle continuous health, sleep, and recovery tracking around the clock, while workouts, navigation, and GPS activities remain the job of a Forerunner, Phoenix, or other Garmin watch, something we've suspected for a while now. The biggest clue comes from the certification documents themselves. CIRQA appears to communicate exclusively via Bluetooth. For most wearable brands, that wouldn't raise many eyebrows, but for Garmin, it's surprisingly unusual. Garmin has long relied on Ant Plus across its ecosystem, yet Ant Plus is nowhere to be found in the equipment description. Neither is GPS. That suggests CIRQA may ship without Ant Plus, GPS, Wi-Fi, or cellular connectivity. If that's the case, the band wouldn't be able to broadcast heart rate data directly to devices like a Garmin Edge cycling computer or compatible gym equipment. Instead, it would likely depend on a nearby smartphone whenever location data is needed for activities such as running or cycling. To be fair, that's not unusual for this category. Products like the Whoop, Polar Loop, and Fitbit Air follow a similar approach by leaving GPS duties to a connected phone. Still, Garmin had an opportunity here to stand out from the crowd, and at least based on current evidence, it doesn't appear to be taking that route. If these reports are accurate, CIRQA could end up appealing to athletes who want the comfort of a lightweight band 24 hours a day, but still prefer a dedicated sports watch during training sessions. Recent reports even suggest that wearing CIRQA on one wrist and a Garmin watch on the other may do more than simply divide tracking responsibilities. Garmin could potentially combine motion data from both arms to improve automatic workout detection and activity recognition. Even so, CIRQA is still expected to function as a standalone device when needed. Then there's the pricing question, which may end up being the biggest factor of all. We previously discussed findings from Garmin Connect Plus app code indicating that long-term subscribers could receive voucher codes for CIRQA discounts after maintaining a Connect Plus subscription for at least 6 months. At the time, that sounded like a nice bonus. Now it may be much more important than that. A retailer leak from Ukraine's stylist store recently listed CIRQA at roughly $500, a figure that caught many people off guard. If Garmin really plans to launch the device anywhere near that price point, the Connect Plus discount program could become a key part of the company's strategy. After all, competing products like Fitbit Air sit around the $99 mark. While Garmin's ecosystem, analytics, and training insights may justify a premium, convincing consumers to spend several times more on a screenless health band will be a much tougher sell. In that scenario, discounted pricing for loyal Connect Plus subscribers could be one of Garmin's strongest arguments for getting people on board. We'll keep an eye on this and let you know if more details emerge. Until then, what do you think about Garmin CIRQA? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Peace.